Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Earn with me. So if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon guys. So many has asked me how to stake STT tokens guys. So firstly you need to have TerraStation extension and TerraStation mobile app. Okay, so let's go to MetaMask. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel guys, so never miss an update I would be giving in my Telegram channel. So let's jump into the video guys. So firstly you need to go to bridge.terra. So in this, the tokens which we have can be converted from BSC to Terra chain guys. Okay, so you need to go to desktop mode so that we can connect our wallet guys. Okay, so never miss an update. So click on MetaMask, so click next. After clicking next, click connect. So the connection would be appeared. So let us go back and check whether the connection has been appeared or not. So as we can see, the connection has been appeared guys. So firstly go to UST. If you have any amount, it would be showing there. Okay, if you don't have any amount, you need to go to PancakeSwap and you need to buy it there. Okay, so firstly for swapping UST, you need to go to Trust Wallet and dApps. So search for PancakeSwap guys. After coming to PancakeSwap, make sure you have enough BNB. Click the token you want to swap, UST. So click on I understand and accept. So after that, enter the amount you want to swap into UST. But after swapping, the process is not yet over guys. Please stay tuned so that you will be knowing the process. So after this, confirm the swap and pay the gas fee which it would be asking. So the transaction has been submitted guys. Let's wait for the official confirmation. So I think the balance has been converted into UST. So let's go. Yeah, the transaction receipt has been shown. So let's go to TerraBridge guys. So in TerraBridge, let's connect our wallet and see is the UST appearing or not. Okay, so let's see. So now it is Luna. Let us connect it to the UST guys. So as you can see, 10 point something is showing guys. So you need to convert BSC BEP20 UST into Terra chain UST guys. Click on maximum and you need to give the destination address of your Terra wallet. Okay, TerraStation app. So go to TerraStation app so that you can copy your address. So copy your address and paste it there. So the UST would be appeared directly in your wallet. Click on next, click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, go to MetaMask to approve the transaction, to pay some gas fees. So as you can see, the transaction has been submitted. So let's wait for the official confirmation guys. So just go back to TerraBridge. So confirmation is in progress. Do not refresh or something. Yeah, it is completed guys. So after this, you need to go to your wallet. So you need to go to your app guys. Okay, you need to go to your app. After going to the app, you can see UST balance has 10 guys. So as you can see the history also. So you need to go to swap and you need to select the coin which you have to swap. So firstly click on UST and you need to swap it to STT. So just search in the search bar, so STT token. So STT will be appeared. So you need to have 2 to 2.5 UST for fee guys. So don't do mistake like me, because I have done a mistake. I have staked around 9. So you must have 2 to 2.5 for must. Okay, so click on confirm. The transaction would be successful. So So click on confirm the transaction. Yeah, the transaction is going on. So let's wait for the confirmation. So after this only we can go to the next step. So please wait patiently. So this would be completed. Okay, so it is successful, guys. So after this, as you can see, STT, just press on the plus icon. Sorry, so let us try it again. STT, so just press on the icon. So yes, we can see the balance of our STT. So this is the staking site, guys, app.starterra.io. Click on connect. So it would be asking which I should connect. So it would be your mobile app or your extension. Okay, so make sure you connect anything. So click on allow. So the wallet would be connected to Starterra. So let's check it out, guys. Is it connected or not? Let's try it again. So if it does not happen for the first time, yes, it's connected right now. Okay, so please click on the three dot beside our address and click on staking, guys. Okay, after clicking on staking, you can see this STT staking and everything. You can see LPP staking and single asset staking. So go to single asset staking and you can see the APR also. It is 10, 14 and 15. You can stake in anything, guys. So these are all STT. So let us click on stake now. So it would be redirected to the staking page. So just check it out, guys. So everything would be easy. Just click on max. After clicking on max, click on stake, guys. After clicking on stake, you need to pay some fees. Okay, so after that you need to approve your transaction by giving your password. So let's wait until the official confirmation. If it is staked, it would be showing in the middle in the staked column. So let us check it out, guys. Let us refresh and check. So it has not yet. Yes, it has officially been staked, guys. As you can see in the middle, 1.56 STT. So we have staked it, guys. So by this process we can expect airdrop, guys. So do not miss even a single step. So you would be missing the airdrop, guys. So if you want, you can make it with multiple accounts and you can loot it with multiple accounts also. So make sure you have at least 2.5 USD for the staking fee, guys. So if you really like my video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. So it took a lot of dedication to make this video. If I did anything wrong, I am sorry. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.